What's up, guys? Your boy Chris back at it with another video. Today we have another Mother's product, and no, this isn't sponsored. Last week we did the Mother's Back to Black Trim Cleaner, and on their instructions it says their last step: for a long-lasting gloss and protection, follow with Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restore, which is this one. So from the last video, I'll give you guys an update, and you can see how the trim came out. So basically the trim looks just slightly better than what I started with. So everything is nice and clean. It's nice and smooth too. Before it was a little bumpy. You could feel the dirt in it. Now let's go ahead and apply this other Back to Black Trim Restore and see how it goes. So this is the Mother's Back to Black Trim Restore. The step right here: note, for severely neglected surfaces, please first use Mother's Back to Black Heavy Duty Trim Cleaner. So this isn't any false advertisement. They want you to use the cleaner before you use the restore, like we did. So we're gonna go ahead, get this on here, and let's see how it comes out. And this you could just basically pour right on and then massage it in. Now, as you can see, as it's massaging in, it's working into the little pores that this plastic has, and it's getting darker and darker, or more closer to whatever color it was originally. Now, as you can see, this is the same cloth. I want to use the same cloth. This is the part that I'm using to apply this product on, and this is what we were cleaning off last time. So you see this is a lot darker, and we got all the dirt off, which is all it is. And now we're just applying the Trim Back to Black Restore. So this is how the after. A little before, a little after. And the instructions say we can pour right on. So we'll just pour a nice liberal amount and then massage it in. And you want to make sure you want to get into all of these little grooves, or else you'll have like a little two-tone look. And this truck does see a lot of sun. Where I park at work, I park on a rooftop deck, and the back of the truck does get a lot of sun. So for smaller areas like this, you want to pour on the cloth, just because at the angle it's at, you really can't get to it. Or you really can't pour on top of it. But as you can see, there's still a lot of product in the towel itself. So you don't want to waste any. You could squeeze everything out. This little area is where you have your spare tire and your bolt that you have to loosen so your spare tire will drop down. This process is fairly quicker than the other one. You don't have to use a brush and try to get everything clean. Basically, you're just massaging in some product. And again, this isn't a sponsored video, it's just something. Mother's products are fairly easy to get. Something for the regular do-it-yourselfer. You don't have to, be part of any groups or subscriptions. As long as you have an Amazon account or access to your local Pep Boys or any other, box store. I think they even got this kit in Walmart. But I get this stuff off of Amazon. The link's in the description. If you buy it from there, I get a little cut. Nothing too big, but I appreciate the support if you could buy through the link. So we'll go ahead and just wipe up this excess. So this is the Mother's two-part kit. One's your cleaner, the other's your restore. And please, if you use the heavy-duty cleaner, use the part 2. I know it doesn't specify that they work hand in hand, or it's not a outline as a part 1 or a part 2, but use it as a part 2 and you'll definitely love the results. Adri, you want to close out the video?
Thanks for watching my dad's channel, and make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe.